Hi, in the automation industry, there are multiple tools already applicable in the area of the automations. We know that all the conventional tools like Selenium, APMs, or multiple conventional tools are available. But if you want to work on the some fast way, some high capability, then you must go for the AI tool. And how the AI tool will helpful in the area of the automation, so I tell you guys. So, hello friends, my name is Shailesh Kumar. Today I will show you and we will learn about that how the automation is more beneficial with the help of AI tools. So, before starting off anything, I just tell you about that what is the AI tool in the automation. So, basically AI tool refer to any software application. Okay, we can say that this is also AI tool is a software applications that leverage artificial intelligence technique to perform a specific task or functional autonomously. Okay, this tool typically utilize machine learning algorithm, natural language processing, computer vision, or AI technique to analyze data, make decisions, and execute action without human intervention. That is the beauty of the AI tool in the area of the automation. Okay, now I tell you different types of AI tool commonly used for the automation. So this is very important to understand or very important to learn on that part. So we know that everywhere in the industries or in the world they are adopting the AI based automation tool to increase or they enhance their capability of the production. Okay, so maximum tool are already gone up smart enough. So let's start with the types of the some common AI tool. So first, I would like to recommend it here the best automation tool with the power of AI. Name is RPA. The full form is Robotics Process Automation. So this tool is come to the picture when the rule-based task. Okay, if the rule-based task is there, then means the any repetitive steps are moving day by day. So that task we can do automation with the help of RPA. It's very interesting areas. So they can help tasks such as data entry, form filling, document processing, e-swapping. That's a common step. It's well rule-based step. So on that area, we can utilize or we can use RPA tool. This is very beneficial for that industries. Okay. Second is very important, natural language processing. We can abbreviation is NLP. NLP tool enable machines to understand, interrupt, and generate human language. They are used for tasks such as sentiment analysis, you know, language translation, text summarization, and speech recognition. This is a wonderful areas where we can use it out natural language processing tool. Next, machine learning. The machine learning enable systems to learn from data and made prediction, or decision without being explicitly programmed. They are used for tasks such as predictive analysis, pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and recommendation system. Next is chatbots and virtual assistants. So chatbots and virtual assistant automate interaction with user through natural language conversation. They can perform tasks such as answering questions, providing customer support, and executing command. Some other tool like predictive analysis. autonomous system, document processing. There are multiple tools available in the market. You can just go and learn. So that's the reasons I am creating that video to learn easily over here without moving anywhere. So guys, I expect to you please subscribe my channel so that I can bring up more interesting video for you in the area of the automation, or we can say in the area of smart automation. So guys, be in touch with me always. We will provide you next video for you definitely. Thank you very much.